How to post your template on CapCut. Let's get started. Launch your CapCut. Make sure you have already logged into your CapCut account. Now you can click on New Project or select from the existing one. Once you have selected, now what you have to do is edit your template. At the bottom, you're going to find different option of CapCut. Use any of these options and edit your template. Once you are done with the editing part, what you have to do is click on the option of export given at the top right corner. It's in the process to be exported. Once you are done exporting the video, you'll get the option Share to TikTok or Share as template. In order to be able to post as template on CapCut, you'll need to be a pro editor or regular editor. If you are pro editor or the creator, you'll be able to post the template in CapCut. If you're not, you won't get the option to share as template. Instead, you can share in the different social media platforms such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and many more. If you're able to share as template, you're gonna get the option of share as template in this page. Click on that. With that, the template will be posted on your CapCut account. So this way you can easily post your template on CapCut. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.